Now available at McCarthy Castle 2015 Fiat 500 Twin Air. It's very well maintained and clean car. No smell inside the vehicle. Beautiful color. It's got white mirror covers. It's got velour interior. Very clean. Isofix for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. Here we've got the electric mirrors. In the middle we've got the electric windows, and it is a 5-speed manual. The vehicle is on only 10,000 miles on the clock. It's got power steering wheel, city mode, which makes the power steering wheel double lighter. It's very easy to turn. It's got multifunctional steering wheel with the voice commands on the left hand side, Bluetooth connectivity.
Please repeat.
Settings.
Settings. The commands available are user data, pairing or cancel.
Cancel. Then it's got some cup holders in the middle, aux in and a USB slot, air conditioning, a start and stop function. This is the city mode, which I explained to you already. It's got a TomTom preparation. You can just buy and plug in the TomTom navigation. It's got AM, FM radio and a MP3 CD player. And as you can see, it's got on the dash the same color as the exterior. Looks very nice. So this was a quick overview of the 2015 Fiat 500 Twin Air. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.